this is the box. It's not a bad box. That's the security seal. It's not just some tape. And let's see what's inside the box. I was not decided between this model, the Bosch ErgoMixx. This is the 600 watts model, and also I was thinking about the Braun MultiQuick 9 series, MultiQuick 7 or MultiQuick 9. I was thinking to get the Braun MultiQuick 9, but eventually we decided that this blender is actually better in some ways and also cheaper a little bit. Less powerful.
Literature.
Some manuals. It's interesting how it's packed. There is no plastic bag for this. I like that, but you know, it's just paper, so manuals. ErgoMixx and ErgoMixx Style, I guess these are different brands of the same similar models. And this is the manual I'm checking, user manual. Pretty simple operation. You have the normal button and the turbo button. You can use the cup supplied to make anything with the blender. You can make mayonnaise. You can supposedly you angle it a little bit to make it easier to run, and can move it up and down, and some advice on which speeds to use for which things, and what goes in the dishwasher and what doesn't go in the water. Obviously you don't put the motor of the blender in the water, and the stick blender can go in the dishwasher. Apparently it has a nice measuring cup.
Sun, whatever that is.
Yeah, I don't know what sun is. It's food items. The plastic feels feels pretty clean, I would say. It's written that it's BPA free. Hopefully that's good. This is the chopper.
So small.
Yeah, it's pretty tiny. I was thinking it would be bigger, but you wouldn't really put too many things in this. We have a Philips blender, a previous model. The chopper was always breaking some internal parts, so if you buy this blender or any blender, stick blender that comes with a chopper, don't think that you can smash anything in there. Some small vegetables and herbs, mostly for sauces.
Locking mechanism.
The locking mechanism is pretty nice. Make sure like you don't open it without realizing by mistake and splash everywhere. The connection point, it's a bit thin. Yeah, I was smelling it.
Doesn't smell like anything.
They don't really smell like anything, so I guess that's a good thing. It's for food, so it shouldn't really smell like anything. And the reason I was looking at this Braun or Kenwood, it was for the stainless steel blender stick, trying to use as little plastic in contact with the food as possible. It has a nice shape to it. These are the blades, and they say it's 4 blades, but it's actually 2 normal blades and 2 smaller things that are actually also blades. So Also this interesting side design here. Supposedly it's less splashes with this, but I'm not sure about that. So one thing to note here, I noticed there is some kind of a gasket there. I don't know what material that is. You see that? The Braun MultiQuick 9 didn't have this. It had a bit of green plastic just barely coming out from the blade shaft there. But this one has a whole gasket in there. I don't know if this is good or no. The stainless steel manufacturing seems pretty good on it. And it's a simple blender. You have two buttons on the sides. The thing I like about the stick here is that it's very thin and easy to remove. The Braun MultiQuick 9 had a more thick, the stick of the blender was more thick, and also it had this mechanism that it goes up and down. That looks nice, but it's one more reason to fail later, so I would try to avoid that. The contacts between the motor and the blades, the propellers, seems pretty good. That's the specifications, the model number. I'll put in the description links to where you can buy this, and also the description, the model number and everything about it. Bosch ErgoMixx. I like these buttons. In the Philips one we had, they were a bit soft, these buttons that always difficult to press. These ones, they're nice and solid.
Plastic. No rubbery stuff here.
Yeah, that's hard plastic
This is
there.
rubbery. This is all rubbery. This is hard plastic. Hard plastic.
Basically it has rubber material, soft material where you grip it, so that makes sense. There is an adjuster for the speed. It goes from 12 to 1, I guess. It's interesting that speed 12 is lower than turbo, so if you want more power than 12, you can use the turbo button. The cord also has a rubber protection there, so it doesn't get damaged easily. And this is how you connect it. It's really easy. That's it. And the best thing is you can rotate it in multiple ways. There's no right place to put it. It goes in. There are many ways to lock it. Same way with the chopper. This model we got, it has the chopper included, but if you don't want the chopper, you don't have to buy it like this. I thought it's nice to have the chopper for some small salad.
No metal piece here.
It's nice that there's no metal parts there. The Philips one had a metal part there, it was a bit difficult to clean. Connection looks pretty good between the motor and the blade of the chopper. These usually are the failure points.
Not suitable for dishwashers.
This part doesn't go in the dishwasher because it has a mechanism, gears inside, which will probably fail. The first thing that would fail in a blender set like this is the chopper mechanism. So yeah, that's how it connects to the thing. I mean, it's just a blender, but the more simple it is, the better. Yeah, let's do a dish soap test. So I'll put a bit of dish soap and water. Let's see what it does.
Speed 6.
Speed 6.
Turbo. Oh shit.
Yeah, that was splashing a bit, so I don't know about no splashes. If you use turbo, you better cover the edge with your hand or something else, because it will start splashing. When I lift it a bit from the side, it makes it work better, it makes the foam faster.
Speed 10. Speed 8.
The blender works really well. I think it's a good idea to use a bit of dish soap and water. First time I use it to really clean it very well. Same thing with the chopper. A bit of dish soap and water. And let's see how well this one is going to work.
Speed 8. Speed 4. Turbo. Speed 12. Turbo. Turbo is more powerful than speed 12.
Even though this model is only 600 watts, it did a pretty good job, I believe. The Bosch ErgoMixx also has a 1000 watts version, the black one, but the black one I couldn't find it with the chopper included as a set, so that's why I got this one. But yeah, 600 watts looks like it's good enough for us. If you need more, the black ErgoMixx from Bosch or the Braun MultiQuick 9 series, which have 1000 or 1200 watts even, so that's a lot of power and more accessories. The Braun MultiQuick 9 or MultiQuick 7 have a lot more accessories, but they are also more expensive. This one was pretty cheap, and hope it doesn't break too soon. Thanks for watching.